Hi everyone, if you need a physical copy of your notes or want to save them as a printable document, Microsoft OneNote makes the process simple. Whether you're printing class notes, meeting minutes, or project plans, I'll show you exactly how to print your OneNote notes step by step, so let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the page you want to print. Review the content to make sure everything is organized and appears exactly the way you want before sending it to the printer. Next, select File, then choose Print. You can also use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open the print window quickly. Select the printer you want to use. If you don't have a physical printer available, you can choose Microsoft Print to PDF or another PDF printer to save your notes as a printable PDF file instead. Before printing, review the available settings. Choose the paper size, page orientation, color options, and the number of copies if needed. Use the print preview to make sure your notes fit properly on the page. When everything looks correct, click Print. If you're using a PDF printer, choose a save location and save the file. Your notes will then be ready to print or share digitally. For the best results, keep your notes neatly formatted. Avoid placing important information too close to the page edges, and check the preview before printing. That helps ensure your printed copy looks clean and professional, and that's how to print notes in Microsoft OneNote. Whether you're printing for school, work, or personal use, these simple steps make it easy to create a professional-looking copy of your notes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials.